Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am your science teacher Aruja Far and we are studying unit number 7, that is force. In the previous lecture, we studied about what is force and how force can change the direction of movement of an object. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what a force can do and learn about friction and gravity. So what can a force actually do? Forces can cause an object to change shape. Also, forces can change the way the things move. They can cause objects to speed up, slow down, or change the direction. Forces can give something a whole new direction. Force can cause objects to start moving or come to a stop. You can throw a ball with high speed in some direction by applying force to the ball. Also, you can stop a ball coming towards yourself by applying the force of your hand. Now, what is the force of gravity? An invisible force that pulls everything down towards the earth is called gravity. This is why when you let something go, it falls downwards. And now coming towards the force of friction. Friction is the force present when the two surfaces rub together. As you can see in this picture here, the person is trying to push a block of cement in the forward direction while the force of friction is acting towards the backward direction, that is making this task difficult to perform. For your home assignment, give an example of how a force can cause an object to change shape. Secondly, give an example of force of gravity acting on an object. You can send me your home assignments at this email ID. In case of any questions, you can always contact me at this email ID. This is the end of today's lecture. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.